Happy Monday, everyone. I hope that each of you enjoy your Thanksgiving with your family and friends, and that you wobbled and gobbled your way through your Thanksgiving holidays. So, anyway, I'm stepping in today to show you what I've updated in my living room. If you've seen my tours in my previous videos, I shared with you this beautiful garland that I had on my dining room table. I moved it here to the entryway and I added a few holiday picks. Actually, there is 5 holiday picks. I added the same lights and I added 2 deer to the garland. I also moved some trees around. So these trees were not there in my original tour. So what I'm basically trying to inform you all is that you can move your home decor around from one place to the next and get a different look and a different feel in your space. Because me adding this garland here, to me it opened up the space. First of all, I moved the alpine tree that I had here, and instead of having the candles and the Christmas trees that I had on the top shelf, I only have the garland and the reindeer. And I'm actually going to tear this garland not all the way apart, but just a tad bit apart so that you can get an idea of how to style some garland if you are interested. Okay, love, so it's already nighttime here, so I have my lights going. So basically, I'm gonna just show you what I have going on in the garland, just in case you're interested in setting up a garland on your entryway or perhaps even on one of your tables in your home. So I had the deer just basically sitting in the garland. So if you could see here, I just have the picks. This is 3 picks and I just have them stuck in the garland. No specific form or fashion or anything like that. I just had it just stuck in the garland just like that. And I have this little ornament here. I just have it like wrapped around a branch. But this is another pick that I have just tucked in the garland. No particular form or fashion. But yeah, and so the pick came like this, right? Comes like this, and it actually was like that, really. And so what you have to do is you have to open up your pick. You have to open it up, right? And once you open it up, you can just stick it in here in your garland to your liking. You just stick it in here. Okay, so that's not it. So once you get your garland, once you get your pick in your garland, you have to position it to your liking. And so what I've done is I've opened it up. You know, I push this around here and then I play around with it, you know, put some branches over it like so. And the same thing here. I'll put some branches over that like so and move this over here. Maybe move that one down just a tad bit so it doesn't look so jumbled up. And then I actually just turn this one around just to give it a different look. Yep. And of course I put my lights in here. I probably need to change my battery on my light string lights. So then I have my ornament on here and I just wrapped it around like that so you really can't see the string on it. And then I just, you know, find a good spot to position my deer here, which is it was really easy to get him positioned because he has such skinny legs. Just position him a little sideways, or maybe I'll move that over. No, I think I want it like that. Then I just move the branches out of my way just to make sure that it's stable and it's not gonna fall. So then I'm just gonna go ahead and add my second deer back in the garland. So there you go. And guess what? Since it's nighttime and I have the lights off, I'm going to go ahead and show you how this room looks with the lights off. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.